Your discretion is advised.
In this episode, we arrive in Hillsborough County, Florida. The Hillsborough Auto Theft Unit is tracking a van containing stolen motorcycles from a location on August 5, 2024. They were taking advantage of Hurricane Debbie to acquire the motorcycles. The Hillsborough County Sheriff's officers see the van on the highway and initiate a traffic stop. Here is the raw body cam footage that unfolded.
We're on your back window. Keep rolling it down. Keep rolling it down. Keep going. Shut the vehicle off.
Get out of the car. Come on. You can leave the back of the car.
Get out of the car. Hey, there's a passenger.
Anybody else back here? Just you and passenger, right? Yeah. Okay.
Rear clear.
In the end, two men, Daryl Sanchez, 29, and Yoel, 28, were taken into custody. Detectives found a loaded Glock 17 pistol and several burglary tools in their vehicle. They were charged with grand theft.